This is an episode of Heroes and Generals, where I, Ryan Barton, go on a journey. The first part of that journey is to figure out how to ride this motorcycle. If I could just finagle it. I'm just gonna check this guy's motorcycle. Hope nobody kills me. Oh, look at that. And there's a guy over there. Okay. He seems to be looking at me. And I can get on the motorcycle now. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, oop. Oh, okay. Woo! Bad. She a nerd! You'll never catch me on my motorbike. God, who would ever shoot a gun in this game? Why, like, you could just ride this motorcycle the whole time. And it's a blast. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think that's what this video is gonna be about. I'm gonna follow this bad boy right here. You motherfucker. I oughta do something about you. Shit! Shit! Shit. Keep going. Okay. Yeah. Shit. I hit a wall. I killed my team. Somehow. It's just part of the life of a biker ganger, you know, out here doing my thing. Hello. Really shitty horns. Oh, there goes my bike. It lived long. Better watch it, cuz. Drive! Fucking drive. Fuck. Maddie. Motherfucker. Push it. Oh! He didn't even kill me. Okay. There's like a billion people on this map. You know, I'm pretty good at this game, so I'll catch back up to them. Oh man, I'm not crying. Let me in. God. This dirty ass windshield. You ever think about wiping it? Fucking Russians, I swear. Oh. What's he doing? Oh, he's ducking. Oh, yeah, because there's people. Give him. Oh. I was about to say I was gonna give him a good time. You gotta know. Shit happens. Delay penalty for trying to be a boss. It happens. No, I don't want to cancel my deploy. I just want to deploy. There. Quiet. I think I'm gonna lose some frames. I'm just gonna cut that part. Got some good footage from my first video, you know, in your film. Hop in cars with strangers. Maybe holding on to this handle. Yes, this will protect me. Yes. This car doesn't even have seatbelts, but this handle, yes, that's some safety. Oh, this noob wants to play with me, I see. How do you even aim? You know? What am I shooting at? You got it? Fucker. Fucker. Yeah. Bitch. I'm done. I'm done. No, I'm not sure. Yes. Yes, I'm sure. I'm done. That is it.